Assalamu alaikum. Today I am telling you about 10 facts of owl. Owl are enigmatic birds, by turn mysterious, lovable and spooky depending on whom you ask. With over 200 species living on every continent except Antarctica, owls have super tuned sense that help them hunt prey all over the world, and they are pretty darn cute too. Number 1. Owl can turn their head almost all the way around. Barn Q2. Number 1. Owl can turn their head almost all the way around but not quite. It's a myth that owls can rotate their head 360 degree. The bird can actually turn their neck 135 degree in either direction, which gives them 270 degrees of total movement. According to scientists, bone adaptations, blood vessels with contractile reservoirs and a supporting vascular network allow the owls to turn their head that far without cutting off blood to the brain. Number 2. Owls have far-sighted tubular eyes. Instead of spherical eyeballs, owls have eye tubes that go far back into their skulls, which means their eyes are fixed in place, so they have to turn their head to see. The size of their eyes helps them see in the dark, and they are far-sighted, which allow them to spot prey from yard away. Up close, everything is blurry and they depend on small hair like feathers on their beak and feet to feel their food. Owls are capable of hearing prey under leaves, plant, dirt, and snow. Some owls have set of ears at different heights on their heads, which lets them locate prey based on tiny difference in sound waves. Other owls have flat faces which is special feathers that focus sound, essentially turning their face into one big ear. The ear tufts on some owls are feathers on and don't have anything to do with their actual ear. Owl number 4 fact, owl flight is silent. Unlike most birds, owls make virtually no noise when they fly. They have special feathers that breaks turbulence into smaller currents, which reduces sound. Soft velvety down further muffles sound. Number 5th fact, owls sometimes eat other owls. Not only do owls eat surprisingly large prey, some species like the eagle owl can even grab small deer, but they also eat other species of owl, great horned owls for example, which attack the beard owl. The beard owl in turn sometimes eats the western serge owl. In fact, owl on owl predations may be a reason why western screech owl numbers have declined. Number 6. Owl feed the strongest babies first. As harsh as it sounds, the parents typically feed the oldest and strongest owlet before its siblings. This means that if food is scarce, the youngest chicks will strafe after an owl leaves the nest. It often lives nearby in the same trees, and its parents still bring it food. If it can survive the first winter on its own, its chances of survival are fairly good. Number 7. Owls are masters or camouflage. Many owls sleep in broad daylight, but the color and marking of their feathers let them blend in with their surroundings. Fact number 8. Some owls make terrifying hissing noises. Aside from hooting, owls make a variety of calls, from whinnies to whistles to squeaks. The barn owl hisses when it feels threatened, which sounds like something from a nightmare. Fact number 9. Owls serve as natural pest control for farmers. Owls eat a lot of rodents. A single barn owl's family will eat 3,000 rodents in a 4-month breeding cycle. One owl can eat 50 pounds of gophers in a year. Many farmers are installing owl's nest boxes in the hopes that owls will clean out pests like gophers and voles for their land. This natural form of pest colors is safer and cheaper than using poison, and it's better for the owls too. Many owls die each year from eating rodents that have been poisoned. Fact number 10. Owls and humans can generally get along. Owls have been popular since ancient times. They shown up in Egyptian hieroglyphs and in 30,000 years old cave painting in France. Falconers have used owls since the Middle Ages, although not as commonly as other birds. Today we still love owls, though it's illegal to keep native owls as pet in the US. They are intelligent and sociable most of the time. Anyway, owls can also attack human when feeling threatened. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.